this is Brad. And in this short review, I'd like to share with you my background story about how I started using ASAP tickets. Back in the day, I was probably just like you. I was booking flights only directly with the airlines. But there was an incident that made me consider using other travel agencies. So here's a story, and it's a short one. I'm not going to bore you, I promise. My family and I arrived at the airport for our flight to Hawaii. And we were informed by the airline that our flight had been canceled due to unforeseen mechanical problems. So the airline offered to put us on a flight the following day. However, we had already made plans and arrangements for our vacation. We couldn't change them. So I started to search for some last-minute booking options, and that's when I came across ASAP Tickets. While I was on a call with their agent, she found a flight on another airline that was departing the same day. Our family was finally able to start the vacation as planned, and I was super grateful to the ASAP Tickets travel agent for her help in resolving this problem so quickly. And that's the point here. It was just lightning fast. The lady knew how to solve problems. Later, I got a refund from the airline for the canceled flight in complete fairness, but I decided I will stick to this travel agency. And the reason is simple. It's a no-brainer. ASAP Tickets are more flexible in terms of offering different airlines and flight options. And no less important is the competency of their travel agents. They know their job extremely well and can find flights for cheaper prices than anywhere else. All of that, in my opinion, makes ASAP Tickets more reliable compared to all of the other travel agencies. So, if you're looking for flight tickets, I definitely would recommend you at least giving them a try.